Well, for months, 6 News has followed the case of former Waco attorney Adam Dean Hoffman, from his controversial plea deal to his release from jail to questions about why he was still eligible to practice law. Well, now the Texas State Bar has officially marked Hoffman as not eligible to practice law in Texas. Our Juliana Jackson has more on why lawmakers say they're now pushing for changes. Juliana.
Bailey, many people believe the judge's order immediately took away Adam Dean Hoffman's law license months ago, but the state bar says that's not how the process works. Under Texas law, only the Texas Supreme Court can make that decision, which is why the disciplinary process continued for months even after his sentencing. Former Waco attorney Adam Dean Hoffman can no longer practice law. The Texas State Bar lists him as not eligible to practice after the Texas Supreme Court officially accepted his resignation. It's a development many people have been waiting for. But why did it take until now for it to happen? Under Texas law, a judge doesn't have the authority to take away an attorney's license. Only the Texas Supreme Court can accept a law license resignation. And before that can happen, the attorney has to sign and submit paperwork. State bar officials tell 6 News they provided those documents to Hoffman while he was serving his jail sentence. But the paperwork wasn't filed with the Supreme Court until June 9th.
Obviously elated about that. I don't like the fact that it was delayed as long as it was.
After Hoffman's felony charges were reduced, he pleaded guilty to misdemeanor charges, meaning the state bar couldn't automatically disbar him. The case drew statewide attention after his first trial ended in a hung jury. Hoffman accepted a plea deal with the state's attorney general, served less than 60 days in the McLennan County Jail, gave up his law license for 5 years, and wasn't required to register as a sex offender. State Representative Pat Curry says while this latest update is an important step, he believes the case exposed gaps in Texas law that still need to be addressed.
Execution of this case certainly caused the outcome that got here.
Curry says he's drafting legislation in hopes to prevent similar outcomes in child sex abuse cases.
Where we need to rise up and do our job and try to make it better for the future and protect our children.
While lawmakers continue working on proposed changes they say could prevent a case like this from happening again, 6 News will continue following those developments and bring them to you.
Juliana, thanks for staying on top of that case.